go to this page and you can choose the file by enter, and once you hit run, and if the machine moves like this, it means it works, and the machine will start to work until reach to certain temperature. In this machine, we probably will start to run on 200 Celsius. This car, sometimes you might read no file. Simply remove and or you can turn on and turn off the machine. Right now the machine start to work. 再放我们证明说这些是好的。好嘞。If you want to stop, press once. It's a pause. And if you want to resume, just press run again. The machine will start to run. But if you want to cancel the current job, press stop twice. Then the current job cancelled.